How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So normally you can wait for 15 to 20 minutes, but if you don't want to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, I have another solution. Although waiting, being patient would be the best option, this would normally happen. This codes thing happens when you log in your account too many times. Snapchat feels like someone is trying to log in your account, and they temporarily just don't let you access the account. And the solution is to wait 15-20 minutes. But if you don't want to wait 15 to 20 minutes, you can uninstall Snapchat. Once you uninstall Snapchat, you'll offload it off your phone, then you reinstall it and you download it from your Play Store or App Store. And once you reinstall it, you can log in again and the support code won't show on your phone. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.